Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure showing you this 23 plate Porsche Taycan 4S. It's finished in a lovely jet black metallic paint with £9,000 worth of factory extras. It's got the performance battery, so bigger brake horsepower and more extended range on the battery, but in lovely order throughout. It is going into our showroom. We have two in stock at the moment, both 4S's, both in black, just different specifications, but LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. We have front parking sensors on this one as well, and all the condition on the front end is all in lovely order. It's free from any major stone chips. Coming in down the driver's side, again looking down the vehicle, free from any major dents or scratches. It's got the factory extra of the gloss black window surrounds as well as rear privacy glass, and then the main one being it's on the upgrade 21-inch Porsche Taycan Exclusive Design alloy wheels. They're all in lovely order throughout. Full red brake calipers as well, so it gives it that full sporty feel. As you then come through to the rear alloy is all in lovely order. You have rear parking sensors, rear reversing camera, and then you have the full clear LED strip light. Taycan 4S badging is done in body colour. That is another factory option as well. And then, like I said, full electric tailgate. Plenty of luggage space in there as well. 60/40 split folding rear seats. You have a little 12-volt power outlet in the back. And then to close the boot, just press the button and glides down like so. Coming in down the passenger side again, looking down the vehicle, all in lovely order throughout. And then the alloys on the passenger side, they're all in lovely condition as well. But then jumping inside, you've got the full black partial leather interior again, which is all in lovely order in the back. Two seats in the back, so really comfortable seating for two. Arse fix as well for child seats, rear armrest, and then all the backs of the seats are in lovely order as well. And then as jumping inside, again specification: 4 electric mirrors, electric windows. You've got electric driver and passenger seat. Driver seats all in lovely order. Same with the passenger seat. Genuine set of Porsche tailored floor mats. And then as we jump inside, full digital cockpit, so fully customisable. You can have the satellite navigation map all around. And then as we're doing the video today, the vehicle has only covered 11,169 miles. Cruising limit control with a lane keep assist. Sports Chrono package as well on this one, so a lovely factory option to have. You have your drive mode select button on the steering wheel, which you can turn into sport and sport plus. So with sport plus, obviously you've got adaptive dampers on your suspension, and then with the vehicle being on air ride, it does lower it to a lower setting. Leather multifunction steering wheel, all in lovely order as well. And coming through to the radio screen, full touch screen, which is to be expected, but again satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and much more. And then coming down to the lower screen, digital climate control, heated front seats as well on this one. Both keys are supplied with the vehicle, front cup holders, and then a lovely front centre armrest as well with wireless phone charger. And then popping our heads into the glove box, boot pack and service boot is present as well. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231 123. I can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.